So Judah's afraid of bees, right? This is what my dad did to him. It's a bee's nest. Absolute mad luck. Get him, bee. Get him. Go get him.
Oh my, what?
He sees a squirrel.
He's gone vicious. Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my. Get him, Biggie. Good job. You see Shadow? There it is up there. Alright, let's go. Come on. No, Shadow, what have you done? We're at our new place. Staying at Cypress Wood Apartments or something like that. They're apartments and they're on Cypress Wood. Villages of Cypress Creek. Good job, Chance.
Go.
And here it is. Go inside.
Hey.
Wait. Go. Go inside. Here it is. Here's the place. We got a living room, and we got a kitchen area with an icy. We got a puzzle. We got computers. We got a utility room, and then we got a couple bedrooms. Lavatory. It's a little scaredy cat. And then TV. And my parents' room are in there. That's the place. Hope you like it. I like it. Excuse you? Hey, don't sneeze when I'm vlogging. Hey. Sit. Shut up. Hey, whoa. He's broken. Hey. Get that Fruit Loop.
Ow.
Hey, you want Fruit Loop? Sit. Good boy. Shake. That's a good dog. Sit again. Good boy. Jump. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Look at him.
Sit. Shake. Jump.
We are now getting boxes because we're moving in. We got a giant truck thing. Here it is. From now, we're getting the stuff from there, and we're putting it in here, or in there, back there. This will be fun. He was really nice. He helped us a lot. That's it. Good job. That was fun. We're moving boxes, and he has flip-flops on. What is he doing?
Mom told me to get downstairs now.
Because we're moving boxes. What is he doing? It's a lot of stuff. I don't think our apartment's gonna hold all of it. What do you think?
Probably not. It never was going to.
Yeah. We got a tag team going. Jacob's gonna bring it from the truck over to here. Then I'm gonna use this thing, which can kind of go up the stairs with these little track things on the bottom. And I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna do like teamwork, because it makes the dream work. We tried to use the cart, but now we're just kind of rolling it up the stairs because it's tough. It's fun though. I got the easy job. All I have to do is bring the stuff from the truck. Jacob and Dad have to do all the lifting to get up there. think that's my job done. They get to do that. We got them all.
Is this a tire?
No! Stop it. We're taking the truck back now. And I'm driving. It's the first time driving in the US in like a year. And it's raining. Yeet. Mom is basically passed out back at the house because she's unpacking all the boxes. And yeah, my hands are kind of sore. But it wasn't too bad. I mean, we got a rhythm down. There were 3 flights of stairs, so each of us kind of took a flight. Just like, I'll pass it up to the next one, the next guy does it. It was a good system. Cheetah tried to push it down the stairs and it wasn't closed. Bro.
Come on, bro. Got a little back up here.
Cheetah got a new car, he says. Mom got a train. And mine opened! Now I have to close it. Ah! Don't run into me.
Where's the recycling?
I think so. What are you doing? Chance! Chance! Wait. Wait, what is it? What is that? What are you doing? Chance! Don't you do- Oh my. Oh my goodness. Look at our house.
Where should I go?
Look at this.
Should I go?
Craziness. So much stuff. Oh, I'm so tired.
And once we're finally done unpacking, Johnny gets to leave.
Yep, they basically brought me here to help with stuff. You want this? Eat it.
Come on.
Eat it.
Come on.
Eat it. You want to go fish? Here you go. Get it. Get it, you ding dong. There you go. There you go. Eat it. Wig, sit. Sit, Wig. Good boy, catch. Catch it. Catch it. Oh, you piece of trash. That's Mom. Dad.
Yeah, but those were
That's my favorite. This guy's awesome. Kenoibi!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop sleeping, Bubba. You go for a walk? Yeah. Go for a walk. Oh boy. Here you go. Put it on. You go for a walk? Oh, hello. You go for a walk? Go. This way. Going back to Waco today. It's been fun.
We just came back from
Choich. Yep, back from our home church. We don't know how long my family is going to stay in Houston. We're here for now until my dad finds work somewhere else. So it could be here, could be like near Fort Worth, and then it could be in like Florida or something. We don't know.
We could be in Cisco.
We rented this place for
3 months.
3 months.
Been 1 month.
And we've been here for 1 month, yeah. So we will see. We will see how this goes. But for now, this is our new home. Well, their new home, but I guess it's my new home. Baylor's my second home, though.
We're gonna come back here for several times.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah, 3 months. I don't have school for 3 more months. Yeah, I do. No, I don't. I don't know.
Lord.
Nice, Shadow. We watched Captain Marvel a few days ago, and that was actually surprisingly really good. Definitely a Marvel movie, but it was really good. I'd say it's above average for a Marvel movie. Like an above average movie.
This guy's a movie critique.
I think it's a little bit less than like Captain America, the first one, and Iron Man. I think it's about on par with like Guardians of the Galaxy, maybe. Yeah, I would say so. But I like the older ones more than like the Guardians and space stuff. That's just me. A lot of people like them. Squirrel! Yeah. It's been a fun trip. And I think I'm gonna end this spring break vlog here. Bye.